So what you guys need to do is, once you learn properly Power BI, and you can start Power Apps and everything. Hi guys, good morning. Let me share my screen. Yesterday I shared the script, right? Okay, did everyone receive it? Online team? Did you guys receive the script? Online team? Yesterday I shared the script, SQL Server script. Okay. Today what we need to discuss it? Joins. What is a join? What is a join? Huh? Sorry? No, not like that. What is join? So if you want to get the column from another data set, okay. If you want to get the column from another data set, must and should we require joins? Understand or not? Up to now, you are handling with one table. Okay. If you want to handle with multiple tables, actually what will happen here it is, so I'm pulling one table into the Power BI. Okay. After that, another table I'm pulling it. In those two tables, what you required, few of the columns, like in this particular table, you require actually 10 columns, and 10 columns are there in both the data set. Okay. But you required five columns only. Then what you are doing normally, you are pulling both the tables into the Power BI desktop. And so you are calling the both the 5 columns from this table and 5 columns from another data set. What about the remaining columns? The wastage of memories happens or not? Understand or not? So remaining columns, what you can do? You can remove it still, but it is occupies some memory, right? Why you are doing like that? Then what you have to do is, by using joins, okay, by using joins, what columns is required in both the data set, those columns only you can put it in the query, and that query we can pull it into Power BI. Then what columns you require, those columns only it will be there in the Power BI desktop. There is no memory wastage will happens in Power BI, right? So that's the reason. In a select statement, if you want to call multiple tables, means must and should you have to use joins. Understand or not? So so if you want to get the column from another data sets, okay, then we have to use joins. Or if you want to provide a relationship between the data set, we have to use joins. Understand or not? So there are, how many types of joins are there? Joins. What is a join? Providing a relationship between the data sets is called understand. Providing a relationship between the data sets is called as joins. How many types of, there are different types of joins are there. Okay, there are different types of joins. What are those? Left outer join, right outer join, next one is full join, inner join, next one, what is the next one? Self join, next one, cross join. What is that? These are the 6 types of joins are there. Okay, what are those? Like left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, inner join, and self join, cross join. These are the different types of joins are available in SQL Server. Understand? So each join having a different behavior it is. Suppose, for example, I will explain you in the Excel itself, and then you will understand how it will be there. ID. Suppose I have 2 tables as well. Not 2 tables. We have applied the joins on multiple tables. But I am taking an example for showing this one. First, I will explain you in the Excel. Then we can go with the SQL Server. Okay, so these are the 2 tables. Okay, listen carefully. Very important. If you know these joins here, same joins are available in Power BI also. There itself you can understand very easily. So how many types of joins are there? Left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Next one, inner join. Next one, self join. Next one, cross join. Understand? So first of all, if you want to apply any joins between the data set, if you want to apply any joins between the data set, so in both the data set, one common, at least one common column is required. What is common column, Vijay? Common column is nothing but similar values in between those columns. Those we can call it as common columns. Understand? Suppose, for example, in this particular table, what are the similar values to this particular data set? Huh? Here, that means ID column having a similar values to the product ID, right? That means for these related, that means by seeing that you will understand which is the common column. Okay, this we can call it as common column. How you can say that is a common column? Because similar values in between the those data set. Like suppose in ID, 1 is there. The same one is available in this data set or not? Okay, and here 3 is there. Does 3 is available? Matched or not? That means. So similar values are required. Vijay, what about 2? See, 1 or 2 values, if it is not matched, don't worry. Leave it about those things. It is not compulsory to match each and every value in each and every column, right? So it is not compulsory. It is not the rule. Okay. Must and should few of the at least similar values are required. If out of 5 values, if 2 values are similar, that is called as common column. Understand clearly or not? So that means in between the data set, whichever columns having similar values, those we can consider as a common columns. So either you can take one or more than one common columns also you can take it. But most of the times one common column is enough. In some cases, more than one common column we have to use it. So that means in this data set, what is the common column here? In this particular data set, what is the common column here? Huh? What is the common column name? ID. And in this particular data set, what is the common column here? Product ID. So we are taking these two columns as a common column between the data set. First, after taking the common columns, then you are trying to apply a left outer join. All the joins you can apply it. Suppose Vijay, I didn't have any common column between the data set. Can we apply the joins? No. If you doesn't have any common column between the data set, okay, we cannot apply any join here. Understand clearly or not? Okay, common column, at least one common column is required. Then only we can apply the join. Otherwise, it is not possible. Understand clearly or not? See, first of all, what is left outer join will do? We'll discuss it. Left outer join. What is left outer join? Display all the records from left side table. This is a definition. Display all the record from left side table and matching records from right side table. Understand clearly or not? Is it clear or not? What is left outer join? Display all the record from left side table, matching record from right side table. Understand clearly or not? See, if it is very difficult to view, you can come here. There is a chair is there. You can sit here. Everyone need to comfortable sitting there and seeing each and every option there itself. Okay, that it is called as left outer join. What is left outer join? Display all the record from left side table, matching record from right side table. Understand clearly or not? So see here. Now let's see. What is the left in the left side table? We need to display all the records or not? What is the left table? This is a left table. Okay, this is a right table. Okay, display all the record from left side table or not? See. In the right side, coming to the right side table, what we need to display? Only matched records. What matched records we need to display? That means whatever common column we are taken between the data set, in between the common columns, whichever values is matched from the right side table, that only it will be displayed. Suppose, for example, okay, so one is matching. See, you have to check only matching record from these two common columns related, ID and product ID. So in ID and product ID, is there any value is matching? One is matching. Yes, I'm displaying one here. For one related, what is the sales it is? Okay. Next one is there two values there? Two values matching? No, leave it about this one. That means, see here in the left side, 2 is there. For the same row, is that 2 will be there in the right side table? Keep it as a blank. Coming to the 3 value. Is 3 values matching? How many times it is matching? 2 times it is matching. That means 2 times you have to write it here itself. That means this 5 is matching 3. No, 3 only. The left side 3 is record is matched with the right side table 2 times it is matching, right? That means left side value will be repeated those many times. Understand clearly or not? That means understand clearly or not? That means this 1 3 is matching 2 times. That means the 2 times it will be there in the left side also. The same value will be repeated with the right side table 2 times. Understand clearly or not? Is it clear or not? Next one comes to the 5. 5 is there or not? Okay. How many times 5 is matching? For this also, the same in the left side table, the same value is repeated 2 times, right? Understand clearly or not? Huh? Is 6 values matching to the right side table? Leave it about this one. 7 value is matching to the right side table? No. Then in place of this one, what value will be placed? Null. What is that? Null. Understand clearly or not? Understand clearly. Vijay, what about this 8 record? 8 record, we didn't consider it because based on left outer join, how it will be there? Same like that only we need to generate an output. Understand or not? Okay. Next one. What is the next one? It is quite opposite to the left outer join is right outer join. Right join or right outer join, both are same itself. What is this one? Display all the records from right side table and matching records from left table. So quite opposite to that one. Now, first what you need to take the table? Right side table. When you are applying left outer join, left table you need to design it. So when you apply right outer join, right table you need to design first. Coming to the left side, what values are displaying? Matching records is displaying in the left side table or not? Okay. So again, for matching records means you need to compare these two columns only. Understand? So what is the matching values are? One is there? Yes. For one related, what value, what name is there here? Understand? Next one. What value is matching? Huh? 3 CC. Again, 3 CC is there or not? 2 times it will be there. That's the reason 2 times. Next one is 5. And here, understand clearly or not? Is it clear or not? It will be displayed only the matching record from left side table. Right side table, all the records it will be displayed. Understand clearly or not? What is the next one? Sorry. Full outer join. Full join. Display all the records from both the tables. From both the tables. Display all the record from both the tables. Okay. So first of all, so you can design any of the table. Like suppose I want to design this particular one. Okay, right table. See here. Understand or not? Right side. Okay. So one is matching. So whichever it is matching in the same row, we need to display that one. Understand? Whichever it is matching in the same row itself, we need to display it. One AA. In the same row, it will be displayed. Like 2 is there. So first, whichever it is matching, those related, you can write it. Like 3. See, you see. Like 3. CC is there. And 5 is there, right? 5. DD. 5. Understand? Next one is whichever it is pending in the from the left side table, those you have to write it in the last. For 8 related, is there any value here? It is there in the left table? No. What is that? Null value. Okay. And 2 is there in the left table because I need to display all the record from both the tables or not. 2 BB is there in the left table. Is there any value in the right side table? Next, 6. For 6, E is there. Is the value is available here? Next, 7 FF. Is the value is available? Understand clearly or not? Is it clear or not? Okay, that means, so is all the records in the right side table, is it displayed or not? Check it once. 1, 3, 5, 8. I'm displaying that or not? 1, 3, 5, 8. I'm displaying. In the left side table, did I display all the records or not? We can check it. See, 1, 3, 5, 2, 6, 7 is also there or not? For these related, if it is right side table, it is not there. What you can put it? Nulls. Understand clearly or not? So this is about right join. Next one is inner join. What is inner join? Display matching records from both the tables. Display matching record from both the tables. What values are matching? Those you haven't write it here. 1 is matching in both the tables. 1, yeah. 1 is matching in the right side table, right? So 6,000. And 3 matching, right? Here 3 CC is there, right? And 5 These are the records it is matching, right? That's the reason these are the value. Understand clearly or not? In both the tables, whatever values are matching, those related only we can display it here. Understand clearly or not? Next one is self. These I will show it in SQL Server itself. Understand? So what is self join? Joining a table by itself. Like that means if you want to use the same table name if you want to apply that, we can call it as self join. I will show you there itself. So this is how all the types of joins. Now we need to implement the same thing here itself. Why two queries? What is the first one? Left outer join. Display all the records from left side table and matching records from right side table. Display all the record from left side table and matching record from right side table. Understand or not? So for this one, how you can write it in in SQL Server? Suppose first you need to create these table related and we can implement it. Understand? So create table, left table. And what is the columns? ID, integer, and name column, right? Varchar 25. You can take the common columns with the different column names also. Sometimes you can maintain the same column names as a common columns. Sometimes the different column names also we can take it as a common column. Understand? See that this is the best example. Here ID is there. A common column here it is. Product ID is there. Different column names is there or not? Okay. These are the two tables I'm taking. Okay. Now insert the records. Insert into table name. What is the table name here? What are the values? One, you can insert it or not. Now, let's see, we can apply. What is that one? Select. In the select statement only, we can apply the joins, right? Okay. Select star from. How you can write it? In the select statement, how you can write the table name? Select star from table name, right? Same like that only. Select star from. What is the left table here? For table name, you can call alias name also. Alias name means alternative. Alias means alternative. So instead of calling this complete name, we can pass the alias name as with a single character like this. And whenever the left table, we can call it at that time. You with the name of A, you can call all the time. Understand or not? Okay. Alias name. After that, you can apply the joins. What is the join here? Left join. You can write left outer join or left join. That is fine. Understand? Next one is right table. What is the right table here? B. On A dot. What is the common columns here? Those common columns you need to write it here. With the common columns, you need to match it. Understand? So first you have to write the left table and alias name for this left table, A. Okay. And join. What join you can want to apply it? Left join. Okay. What is the right table? What is the another table that you can write it here? What is the alias name for this table? A. Okay. Now you can use on operator, because for in the on operator, you have to match with the common column between the data set. Then only the left join will operation will works. Understand or not? So that means on. What is the common column between those two data set? In left table, you have ID column. In right table, what is the common column? Product ID. Those columns in it. So what is the left table name? Yeah. You cannot don't see, because you already give the alias name, right? No need to call that table name. You need to call the alias name. A dot. That common column you have to write. And here you can use any operator. Is equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Also you can use it. Based on your requirement, you have to use the operator. So I'm using is equal to, and so left table related common column you are writing. After is equal to right table related common column, you need to write it or not? What is the name of the right table? B dot. Understand clearly or not? Is it clear or not? See, now execute this one. Both the table columns it will come set. How many records it will be displayed? See, after executing, how many records if I want to see the table, then on the bottom right corner, you will see how many rows it will be there. Understand or not? After executing this select query, how many rows it will be displayed means here itself 8 rows. That means the same 8 rows is available here or not? How many rows it is? Both are same or not? See, if you want, you can check it also. This is the output for this left outer join. For left outer join, see here. Okay. For one related, here what it will be there? 16,000. See, 16,000. For two, it is not there, right? For two related, what it will be there? Here itself, no. Three related, how many times it is 3 will be there? Matching 2 times. That's the reason these 3 CC, 4,000 and 3,000 will be there. Next one is 5 record. 5, how many times it will be there? 2 times, right? 5. 6 is there or not? E. For 6 related, is there any values there in the right side table? Null value will be there. 7, same null value. So in place of empty, it is displaying null values into that. Understand clearly or not? Is it clear? Left out join. Same query. Just you need to change the join. What is that? That's it. See, but in SQL Server, when I execute this one, you didn't understand what is happening. That's the reason I am explaining in the Excel itself. And after that, whenever you're running the query, then you will understand what is the output for this one. Okay. Right outer join, what it will be there? How many records it will be displayed? See here, 6 records it is displayed. Whether the 6 records is there here or not. So how many records it is? 6 or not? See here, 1 here related, 3 are matching 2 times and 5 is matching 2 times and 8 is matching. 8 is not matching from the left side table. That's the reason it is displaying null values. Is that output is correct or not? Next one, same query. What is that? How many records? 9 records are displaying here. Whether the 9 records are displaying here or not. How many? The same values or not? See here. 2 values for nulls, 6 and 7 for nulls value. For 8 related, we need to display null in the left table. Understand or not? Next one is inner join means only matching records. How many? 5 rows. 5 rows means see here in the Excel. Clear or not? Same records is displaying. Next one. Huh? What is that? Self join. What is self join? See. Okay. I need to put it this one like. Next one is what is the next one? Self joining. Joining a table by itself is called as self join. That means, how can we write this one? Suppose, for example, okay, you need to put comma here. Understand or not? And self join means joining a table. The same table I need to use it in the second table. Understand or not? And here the alias name is Not A, because already gave the alias name as A, right? B we need to give. Here, syntax is different, where A dot ID is equal to B dot, not product ID, yeah, same table we are using, right? Understand or not? See, when compared to the other joins, this self join and cross join both are syntactically it is different. Understand? In the self join, if you joining the table, same table I'm using here, in the where condition, you have to use those related common columns in between the data sets. Understand clearly or not? This is called as self joining, joining a table by itself. Vijay, that means whatever values matching records in both the tables, that only it will display. Then what is the use of self join? Suppose you're working in the organization. Who is your manager? How you can say? By using self join only, we can identify it. Okay, you are my manager. For you also, your manager is there or not? Who is the last one? Who is the last person in the organization? CEO, right? Right? So up to that, hierarchies will be there, like who is the manager under this particular person, who is the manager. If I want to know it, then at that in those cases we have to use self join. Understand clearly or not? Next, what is the cross join? Cross join. What is cross join? Cartesian product of the tables. Cartesian product of the tables is called as, what is that, which I didn't understand? What is that? You're using a different language. No. Cartesian product means, suppose for example, in this table, how many rows are there? Okay, how many rows are there? 6 rows are there. In this table, how many rows are there? How many rows are there? 6. That means the product of the two table records, not only two table, n number of table records, we can call it as cross join. That means 6 into 6 is called as, how much value it is? 36 rows will be displayed. Vijay, how it will 36 rows will be displayed? That means each and every record in the left table is matched with all the rows in the right table. Understand or not? Each and every record in the left table is matched with all the rows in the right side table. That means this first 1A in the left table, what is the first row? That row is matched with all the rows from the right side table. Next, after that, 2. 2 is matched, this 2 record is matched with all these rows. And next one is this 3. All the records it will be displayed. Understand? Like that, 36 rows it will be displayed. Understand? Let's see practically. Select star from, what is the left table here? See, both self join and cross join, both the syntax are same. Understand? The difference in self join and cross join is, in self join we are using where condition. We are in cross join we are not using where condition. That's it. See, execute this one. How many rows it will be displayed? 36. Understand or not? Understand clearly or not? Okay. The Each and every record in the left table is matched with all the rows in the right side table. First row is matched with all the rows in the right side table. Second row is matched with all the rows in the, like that 36 rows it will be displayed. Understand clearly or not? Any doubts in this one? What is the next one? Is there any joins are there? Okay, so tomorrow we need to discuss about like how these joins, like I will show you with a single table how we can pull it into Power BI by writing a joins and how you can pull that particular table data into the Power BI. That means by simply pulling a single table, we can pull it. By writing some joins in the select statement, whatever columns you required, those columns you can mention it. With the select statement, we can pull it into the Power BI. That I will show you tomorrow. Understand? Tomorrow onwards, we will go to the Power BI. It will continue in the Power BI class itself. Understand clearly or not? Okay. Okay, online team, anyone having any doubts? Mohammed, you can.
Good morning, sir.
Sorry. Yeah, good morning.
Sir, in all types of joins, we observe that we the return the record that is being recorded is uh, that consists of a matching rows, right?
Not matching records. It is not like that, right? Is it? See, matching records means depends upon the join. If it is a left side, if it is a left join means right side table only it is matching. If it is the right join means left side table only it is matching. If it is full outer join means it is not. That means all the records it will be displayed. Whether it is matched or unmatched record, it will display. Inner join means matching records only it will display.
Yes.
Understand? When it comes to the self join and cross join, it completely different from other joins.
Okay. In this case, if we want to exclude that matching part, is there anything in the if we want to exclude any matching part and want to show exclusively like without matching, is there anything in this table?
Suppose, for example, I have this is the query, right? Okay. So what I want is, okay. So who is this person? Muhammad.
Yes.
He's asking very good question. What he's asking means, Vijay, you are displaying like this. Okay, it is. I want to display which is not matching records. Suppose for this right join I am applying. In this right join, what unmatched records are there? Those I need to display. What unmatched records are there here? What is the unmatched record is available here? Huh? 8 2000 null. This is the only record unmatched, right? I want to display that one. Then you have to write a where condition. Where a dot id is, then which record it is displaying?
Okay.
Understand, Muhammad?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. That is what I was asking.
Like this, we can display. Okay. So that means if it is on the matching records, it is not only matching and unmatched records, it will display all the things. I want to display only unmatched records.
Unmatched records.
If I want to display the only matching records, then in this
the
query,
inner join.
no, I know it. But by using this, I want to display only matching record. Then
the null value not null. Yes, yes.
Can we put like this or not?
Yes, yes.
Understand clearly or not?
Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sumit, yeah. You tell me, Sumit, You can unmute and ask the question.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Sir, can we join the record without alias name?
Without alias name also we can join it. Who said
Okay.
that? See, alias name is not the compulsory one, but
Okay.
well, at the time of applying the common columns matching here, right? You need to
Yes.
must and should you need to write the complete table, right?
Yes, sir.
See, I will show you. Then why asking a question? So, if I'm not using this alias name, then here what you need to do? Table
Remove.
name dot column name. What is the table
Yes,
name?
sir. Left table.
You need to type all these things, right?
Yes, right, sir.
In place of that one, I just you need to pass the alias name for that.
Okay, sir.
Understand clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Any doubts? Okay. So we can stop it here. Tomorrow onwards? Or BA. The scale part is over. Understand? Over BA. Tomorrow onwards, the actual class will be started. Okay. So, yeah. Tell me, Vishnu. Vishnu.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
సార్ పవర్ యాప్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, అది ఇప్పుడే జాయిన్ అవ్వడం బెటరా లేదంటే పవర్ బిఐ నేర్చుకున్న తర్వాత జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి?
నేను లంచ్ డిన్నర్ ఒకేసారి చేయగలను.
సార్
That depends upon you. How you are capturing, how you are practicing, that is important. Without practicing, how many skills you learn it? What is the use of that?
yes sir.
Okay, you need to decide. Okay, that means, see, whether suppose for example you are practicing parallelly Power BI and Power Apps, both the things, what it will happen? So one of the point, like one week you are interested in Power BI, 1 week you are interested in Power Apps. You are not practicing Power BI. Now you are continuing with the Power Apps practice. What will happen? You are not learning this one and this one. So
Yeah.
if you are capable to handle both the things, you can learn it. Otherwise, if you are not able to practice it, don't join Power Apps, please.
Okay sir.
Because I will give the scenarios here and there. Both the things you are handling or not, you need to decide.
Okay.
For each and every topics, I will give so many questions. Like you need to prepare the documentation for Power BI as well as Power Apps. Okay. One
Okay.
after the other, you want to learn it, you can learn it. Or else parallelly, depends upon you. But the thing is, if you are not completing here also task, you didn't complete it. There also you didn't complete it. What is the use of it? Okay.
Okay sir. Yeah.
Understand? So
Yeah.
basing on your skill, that is important.
Okay sir.
That is, see, otherwise there is no use of Vishnu. So after completing Power BI, learn as Power Apps. Okay.
Okay sir. Okay
Must
sir.
and should you need to learn properly. That's it.
Okay
That's
sir.
what, see, if you learn properly, you can handle your time very easy. All the
Okay.
things are in your hand. Everyone is saying why everyone is choosing IT industry. Because if you are capable to handle anything, we have so much of time. That means suppose the task is completed, you are technically you are strong. You don't know, you know how to complete this issue. You are saying to the client it is like 3 days. Within 5 minutes you can complete it and you can spend the 3 days like enjoying the life. That's the reason everyone is choosing. But this don't know. That's the reason no one is learning. But IT industry is best one and compared to them. Other things, IT is the best one. Why best one? When you learn all the things are properly. If you know complete skill on the, you have complete grip on the particular skill, you can handle it.
Not only in this situation, suppose for example, you are going to the organization, you are allocated to the project. At that time, you are practicing, right?
Yeah.
At that time, you have to know each and every option. At that time, you want to learn it and all the things based on that you can implement it. You didn't have that much of time then. So that's the reason, practice it and do the practice it now itself. Then it will be easy for you whenever you will get a job. Otherwise, Vijay, can you please help me on this section? Vijay, Govind, please help me on this. Don't do this. Don't begging to anyone like any issue. Don't depend upon other. You don't know how the people will treat you in the IT industry. Take the coffee, take the water bottle. For solving your issue, you need to book a biryani for them. There are so many things here. Don't bend for anyone here. But why don't you learn it? What you spend for 30 to 40 days for this particular skill. After that, you can enjoy 5 years happily with this tool itself.
Okay.
Not only any skill, not only this particular skill, any skill you are learning as you properly learn it. How many months it will take? Only 2 months. Next 5 years or 6 years, you're enjoying it. Otherwise, what will happen? Friend, please help me. Or taking support related 30,000 monthly, you need to pay, or 40,000, and you need to wait up to night 9 when he is free. Why you are depending upon others? You need to decide. You learn for learning the things, you are paying the money here, right? How much you are paying? 11,000 or 7,000 you are paying.
Yes, sir.
That you need to decide it. Very important point. Please, in the IT industry, this is the problem they are facing. Who don't know anything? Like, see, even if you don't know anything in IT industry, also you can handle 100%. You can handle IT industry. Suppose you have 40% pass mark you are getting in the. I'm not good in the education. Can we handle IT? 100% you can handle. And number of people are there like that. You need to be strong in your skill itself. That's it. If the same skill you are working like 5 years, can't you handle that one?
Yes, sir.
For one skill, for 2 months learning, it's very difficult. The same skill, if you are working like daily 8 hours, like 2 months or 3 months, can't you get the knowledge on the particular skill? But when at the time of learning the skill, 1 hour you are spending, 1 hour is for practicing if you do it. But in the office, it is not like that, right? 8 hours completely on that particular skill only you are working.
Yes, sir.
You are getting the knowledge. That's the reason. But so when you enter into there, you cannot learn there and you cannot do the projects. You can learn here and implement those things. Please do it like this. Otherwise, see, don't give any easy thing for other people. Like, so this one. In IT industry, so many things we do. Sometimes you are not, your friend is very strong in technical. If you are not able to do also, sometimes he is doing night shift, but he shifted that night shift to you. Or do it night shift, yeah, I'm not able to do it. It's simply saying. Huh? His night shift, you need to do it. Why you
Yes.
need it? Because of you are not technically strong. That's it.
Yes.
Please don't win anyone. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Always you have to work like a hard in first 4 to 5 years. After that, remaining 15 years, you can spend, enjoy the life in a smooth way. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, yes, sir.
So we can stop it here and we'll continue. Tomorrow Power BI will be done. So Power Apps, you want to learn it. If you want to learn, whether you want to learn it now or later, means you need to decide. First, learn Power BI. So you are handling, some people are handling both. Then learn it. We didn't have a time. Learn it both. So I have a time, Vijay. First, I need to completely learn this one. After that, then you have to go to like that. If you join both the things, you're not practicing, not doing any task. What is the use of that? Yeah. Don't do like this. Okay. See, Power Platform is very, very, very important. Power Platform means Power BI, Power Apps, and Power. Now it is started. After 6 months or 1 year, you will see how the Power Platform related openings will be there. Understand? So once you can handle Power BI, join Power Apps. After that, so if you learn both the two, why can't you learn it from by seeing the Google or and YouTube here? Can't you learn it? Still 27 years also, after 27 years also, you depend upon others. You're wasting your money. 7,000 for Power BI, 4,000 or something. Like for Power Apps, it is 15,000. Why can't you learn it from Google or YouTube? This is not an Narayana here. Like stop it this one here. Because of you only all the institutes are growing. Okay. Understand? Try to stop it. In one of the situation you can learn it with that particular skill. Other skills you try to learn it. Start it. Why you are joining Power Apps? Tell me. If I said openings will be there, then you are joining. Yeah. No, right? You need to decide it. You can learn. You can handle it. 100% you can handle it. Understand? Why you spend for Power Apps related? Google, YouTube, so many things are. Try to start the work. Udemy is there, right? In Udemy, there are so many courses. But the problem is they are not in depth the explanation. So what is what? If you know it, then you can handle it. Learn it from there itself. Okay. Or YouTube and Google is the best one here. There are number of tutorials are there. I think one of the person is there in this one. Like suppose in YouTube.
I think who is that one? Still, I am following him only for Power Apps related. See, he is the one. Reza. See, a number of with best examples, each and every video minimum 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes only it will be there. Explanation is very good. Go through that one. But what, see, they directly starts with that particular issue, but you don't know how to go into that one. That you can learn it. And after learn 30% what is what, how you can log in it, how you can managing that one. After that, go through these things. Then you can understand all these things. Understand? So see, it is not hurry, must and should. You need to learn Power BI. If there is no Power BI, Power Apps won't be there. Because all the DAX functions must and should be there itself. It is there. So if you are capable to handle both the things, parallelly you can learn. Otherwise, after completing Power BI, we'll see Power Apps whether you are learning. Understand or not? So we can stop it here. We'll continue tomorrow, I guess.